fourth Roman, third bit. This is the most important for 2 marks. Write down the problem. Find the coordinates of the points on the parabola y square equal to 8x and focal distance is 10. Focal distance is 10. Listen. Y square equal to 4ax parabola. This is y square equal to 8x parabola. This is the focus. P x1 y1. The distance between P to S. This distance is called a focal distance. Suppose P lies in this place. This is the focal distance. The distance between focus and the given point is called focal distance. So, write down the answer. Given parabola is y square equal to 8x in brackets 4ax, 4a value 8, small a value 2. Next, given focal distance modulus of x1 plus a, focal distance modulus of x1 plus a equal to 10. Substitute this value. Modulus of x1 plus 2 equal to 10. x1 plus 2 equal to plus or minus 10. So x1 values plus or minus 10 minus 2. So x1 equal to 10 minus 2. x1 equal to minus 10 minus 2. So x1 value 8 or x1 value minus 12. So we get the x value. Next y value. This point P lies on the parabola. So substitute x value in the parabola equation, then calculate y value. Write down first case. Case 1. If x1 equal to 8, y1 square equal to 8 into 8, 64. y1 value plus or minus 8. So x value 8, y value plus or minus 8. Therefore, required points Px1 y1 equal to 8 comma plus or minus 8. Second case, if x1 equal to minus 12, y1 square equal to 8 into minus 12 minus 96, y1 equal to under root minus 96, not possible, not possible. Root values of the negative numbers are not possible. So required points are 8 comma plus or minus 8. Number of times given 2 marks. Listen. Given parabola 4a value 8, a value 2. Focal distance x1 plus a is given 10. Another important point, suppose given x square equal to, suppose given this parabola, then focal distance is y1 plus a. For this parabola, focal distance x1 plus a. For this parabola, focal distance y1 plus a. Remember that point. Next, a value 2. x1 plus 2 equal plus or minus 10. x1 value plus or minus 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Minus 10 minus 2 equal minus 12. So first case, if x1 value 8, P point lies on the parabola. So substitute x value in the parabola equation. 8 into 8, 64. So y1 value plus or minus 8. So required points. Similarly, if x value minus 12, y1 value is minus 96 under root. So this is not possible. Similar another problem. First problem. Write down. Given y square equal to, given parabola is y square equal to 4x. 4a value 4. A value 1. A value 1. Next. Given focal distance is modulus of x1 plus a equal to 5. A value 1. Remove the modulus symbol. So x1 values plus or minus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 or x1 value minus 5 minus 1. x1 value 4. x1 value minus 6. Next, case 1. If x1 equal to 4, y1 square equal to 4 into 4. y1 square equal to 16. y1 value plus or minus 4. So required points are 4 comma plus or minus 4. Second case, if x1 equal to minus 6, from the first equation, y1 square equal to 4 into minus 6. y1 value under root minus 24. Not possible. Not possible.